this is Super Toy Kid, and the other video where we opened the pack. Now we're gonna build the pieces in this pack.
Which is for the portal.
For the portal.
Okay.
Okay. So. Whoa. Portal. And a couple of pieces.
Okay. There's the instructions.
I want to get this.
Right.
See? I need help.
Let me open that for you. This looks like it's the characters.
I want to build these.
You're gonna build the characters? Okay. You can build the characters while Amber.
I want to do the characters. Characters.
Oh, and you know what this is? This is the Lego separator piece, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so you're building the characters.
Oh.
This is the portal base, I think.
Her hair is in front of her eyes.
Are you sure that's Walt's head then? Maybe you need to turn around the head.
I can't.
Oh.
Stuck. God bless these are the people.
Let's see if we can get it to pull off. If we can get it. There we go. There you go.
And
Are you sure you got the right head? Okay, this is Gandalf's.
and then Batman, Gandalf. Ooh, his body is
Oh, we need to get their capes and stuff, which must be in here. Yep. Here's their capes. Do you know how to put their capes on?
Yeah, I know how to put the cape on. I'll put it at the end. After I build these guys. Okay.
You forgot his beard.
How do you put that on? Oh. Yeah, his helmet.
Take his head off.
Yep, it goes under his head. See, there's the instructions to show you. But you have to put his cape on first.
Oh yeah.
So you need to put the capes on. See?
Okay. Can you put this cape on?
Yeah, let me help you put this cape on. See, it goes on there like this. And then it goes on there like this.
Oh.
And then you put his beard on.
Okay. Okay. I'll build the. Oh. Okay, I'll do it. Then that.
And then there's your little bases. This is Gandalf's base.
Batman. Okay. This goes. I think.
Nope, take her head off. They always go under their heads.
Where is? It's her hood.
Mm-hmm. See?
It's her hood. Oh. Here's water style on her base. And Gandalf.
And then you just gotta get Batman's cape on him.
Oop. Kind of cool. You said wall styles your head.
Mm-hmm.
Little bases are cool.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And What is this?
It goes on here like this. It's for her. See, it goes. Here's this piece.
Then this.
No, on these. This is a little different. You put her hand up, and you turn her hand like this, and then see she holds on underneath like this, like that.
Where is she holding?
It's like her little scanner thing.
Oh, for when she's looking for the piece of
Resistance
resistance.
to stop the craggle.
Oh, Batman's got a batarang. A couple of them. Again, up has a staff, which I made him drop. First try.
Oh. No, he's going swing.
Oh, he's got both heads on him?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
So he can be angry or smirky.
You're angry. Wait, is this angry?
Nope, that's
Here,
smirky.
let me see both his heads.
Okay.
Nice
Get him on his base.
Alright, let's see Batman. There's the 3 you get in the starter pack. There's a bunch you can buy. What's the...
I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Nope. Batman.
Alright. We're gonna have to make a different video for the making of the portal. So this was like part 1. Because the minifigures took a bit. So, what do you say?
Bye bye. Super Toy Kids. Don't worry.